yourself or both. So I'll talk with you tomorrow. All right. Thank you, Mr. Stickley.
Sir, PV and
A defendant walks into court already intoxicated. Her probation officer smells alcohol, and the breath test confirms it. With a history of drunk driving crashes and repeated violations, this case is about more than rules, it's about danger. Stay tuned and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
File numbers 241968. Ms. Kaufman is here with Mr. Stickley, the Chief Public Defender. Autumn Kiefer is here. Mr. Stickley, here's what I understand. The defendant was here today for a probation review with her probation officer, Autumn Kiefer. Autumn smelled alcohol, gave the defendant a breath test, and the result was .087.
Correct, at 9:40 a.m.
And she drove here. So it is a condition of her probation that, I'll just read it the way it's in the order. It's an old order. She was sentenced to 93 days, credit 2, 91 days to serve, and I deferred a few. So she has 88 jail days hanging over her head. It is a condition of her probation that she take a test upon demand of any police or probation officer. Refusing a test, missing a test, or a positive test will cause an immediate 1-day jail term and whether potential probation violation consequence. So the defendant got arrested on May 26th, which resulted in this conviction, May 26th of 24. She was in a crash and her blood alcohol was .294. She got arrested again on August 7th for drunk driving and file number 241471 SD. Her blood alcohol at that time was .244. She was on bond on the earlier case when she got arrested on the second case. Prosecutor dismissed the second case. It was a freebie, and she was placed on probation on this case under the theory that she would be a great sobriety court candidate. However, she moved to Indiana, and we were unable to place her in our sobriety court program because she resides in Indiana. She was placed on a traditional probation. She got arrested for drunk driving again on June 19th in LaGrange County, Indiana, has an arraignment in LaGrange County, Indiana on June 30th. So she is a danger to the public. I don't know what her blood alcohol was. She has a terrible alcohol substance abuse disorder, and she continues to drive, and this is dangerous. Plus, she's legally intoxicated right now, so I can't really even do anything. So I'm going to find a contempt and probation violation. And it's going to be taken into custody, and we'll address this tomorrow when she's sober. Further, let's see what time we got tomorrow. Can't really do anything when the person's legally drunk. To try to make a record or talk about things. We need to wait till you're sober. About 9 o'clock tomorrow. I'll give you an order. Violation of probation. I don't want to make sure she doesn't get out before tomorrow. I'll order 2 days jail, credit 0. 2 days to serve. Further hearing 6/25/25 at 9 a.m. Ms. Kaufman, do you have pets?
I do.
What do you have?
I have 2 little Pomeranians.
You might want to find somebody to take care of your animals. All right, you're going to jail. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. when you're not at .08, and we'll talk further about this.
Your Honor, I'm sure there's protocols at the jail, but just to put everybody on alert, I am concerned about the possibility of some withdrawal issues in the next 24 hours. So if that can be noted or something, make sure that we keep an eye out for.
All right, we'll do that. Michelle's in agreement. Also, you're going to be referred for a new criminal investigation for driving to court while intoxicated. You also were a daily marijuana user. I don't know if you got marijuana in your system as well or not. But we can't keep going this way. You're going to kill somebody or yourself or both. So I'll talk with you tomorrow. All right. Thank you, Mr. Stickler.
Sir, PV and contempt?
Yes. All right, that's a very sad situation. That's a circumstance where she probably never gets under the legal limit. All right, Mr. Stickley, we'll take another crack at this tomorrow after arraignments. 9 o'clock ought to be about when we're done with those.
Yeah, I'm actually not here tomorrow, Your Honor, but I'll give Jeanette the heads up.
Well, she should be here for the regular arraignments. We'll just ask her to stick around.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Autumn. Every day has something new.
I'll
You
call
never know
Orange County and
when
see if
it's
they
gonna
can get to her
happen.
house and get those dogs out of there.
I got something to call too.
Oh, I was gonna say, cause I asked her if she had anybody, and she's like, no, I don't have anybody. I'm like, a neighbor, you live in the mobile park? No, I have nobody, so I can't leave them there for 24 hours, so,
All right, thank you both.
thank you.
All right, as I said, every day it's something new. But something new is sometimes something old. Seeing it again and again doesn't make it any easier to watch. We'll see whether Mr. Bobby Johnson shows up for his sentence at 9 o'clock. It's about a 50-50 bet, right?
The judge lays it bare: constant relapse, daily marijuana, and driving to court drunk. He warns she could kill herself or someone else. This isn't discipline, it's survival. She leaves in handcuffs, her Pomeranian's waiting at home. Like, share, and subscribe for more shocking courtroom stories that matter.